Welcome to the modern India, the land of IT giants and distinctive corporate. People providing an impetus to various industries and infrastructures. Steel has been strengthening Indian economy. The foundation of every developed and developing economy is highly influenced by steel. With the domestic steel industry emerging up during the past year, India, for the first time, has become the world's largest producer of sponge iron. The domestic sponge iron industry is fully geared up to meet the challenges. India is waving towards becoming the superpower in steel business. This achievement is relentlessly dedicated to the committed companies of this trade, one of which is Rana Sponge Limited. This fully integrated steel plant of Rana Sponge Limited, located at village Kulai, district Dhenkanal, is the first fully integrated plant of Odisha. This evolved business of Rana Sponge Limited was the vision of a young, industrious, humble man, Mr. H.Q. Rana.
मैं एक किसान का बेटा हूँ। मैंने बड़े छोटे स्केल से सन 1980 में एक बहुत छोटी सी यूनिट लगाई, 6 इंची रोलिंग मिल। 1980 की कॉस्ट में वो कुल 2.5-3 लाख रुपए की थी।
Who took the challenges of destiny and worked on the perception of individual distinctive identity. He set up the initial business in Muzaffarnagar under the name Rana Steels.
हमने 18 यूनिटें लगाई। उड़ीसा में स्पॉन्ज प्लांट लगा, जो हम कच्चे आयरन ओर से तैयार करके अपने स्पॉन्ज बनाते हैं। उस स्पॉन्ज की वेस्ट से हम पावर बनाते हैं।
In the last 28 years of establishment, it is rewarded by the trust of the market and customer. It came through sheer diligence, determination, and dedication. In this plant, Rana Sponge has a setup of rotary kilns-based technology. Ore and coal being mixed is further taken to the kiln through this automated conveyor. This process utilizes non-cooking coal as reducing agent along with limpy rich-grade iron ore. For the reduction purpose, in this inclined horizontal rotary, kiln is used. Later, the extracted sponge iron is screamed into 2 size fractions. These fractions go directly for further usage. The entire mill is controlled through this computerized control room. Electric panel of the plant is situated in a large air-conditioned room. This eminent room has the access to all the parts of the mill, which ensures safety. Extracted sponge iron is loaded into trucks and moved further to this process called induction furnace stage, where melting is done. Input of sponge iron is given to this process, which as a result creates a billet. Liquid metal from PLRF is brought to this machine for the desired size of billets. After inspection and surface grinding, these big billets are sent to market or rolling mills in the standard required lengths. Now come and let's have a look at the third manufacturing stage of the plant, known as rolling mill. This is the third stage of the plant, which is called charging of input material in reheating furnace. This point is a continuous mill process from where the final product is released. Cutting is done here and the final product like angle, T-iron, channel and girder are ready for dispatch. It is being loaded into trucks. After weighing at this weight machine, a green signal is given to the relation of need and expectations of Rana Sponge and a common man. This is the zeal and excellence of the managing director who took the company to new heights. Mr. Shahzama Rana is the one who is leading the second generation of the group. The fully equipped location of the unit provides an easy accessibility to top quality of iron ore and coal. It also enables a smoother transportation process. At present, these plants are running at approximately 70% capacity utilization, with 100% captive power backup.
क्वालिटी एक हमारा भविष्य है, क्वालिटी पे ही हम इत्मीनान करते हैं।
Rana Sponge believes that quality speaks for itself, and it is the only factor to attain customers' relation and trust required for the growth. Control and analysis are carried out by highly skilled and trained personnel.
हर लैब से टेस्ट करके इस माल को प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, क्वालिटी में ही हमारा पूरा भरोसा है।
Due to the rigid quality formulation of the company, it is accredited ISO 9001-2001 certified approved. Rana Sponge has a proven track record of steady growth since its inception. Financial base of the company is as strong as the image of brand name in the market.
और हमने अपनी मेहनत और लगन के साथ आज हम इस ग्रुप को लेके 1200 करोड़ रुपए की टर्नओवर है। उम्मीद है कि हमारी इस साल जो है कम से कम हम 1500 करोड़ को कवर करेंगे।
During the financial year ended 31st March, it has achieved a turnover of 1,200 crores, which is expected to grow to 1,500 crores in the next financial year. Rana Sponge Limited has a wide network of distributors spread all over the country. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Orissa, Bihar, Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. Rana Sponge Limited eyes an inner urge and endeavors to become a learning and knowledge-based organization. It will strive and become one of the most cost-competitive plants in the industry and generate wealth to serve its customers, surrounding community and nation. The company has also installed a power generation plant with waste heat recovery boilers. The company has decided to expand its wings in the power generation sector with the installation of latest technology-based 550 megawatt power plant. The company's mission is to achieve overall growth through high productivity, continuous improvement, technological breakthrough and dedicated efforts.
इसमें मेरे पूरे परिवार का, मेरा सबका सहयोग है। सबने एक मुट्ठी मिलके, जो मेरे भाई मुझसे छोटे थे, मेरे साथ थे, पढ़ाई पूरी करके, वो तालीम करके मेरे साथ आए। आज हम इस ग्रुप को एक लगन और एक मेहनत से और इकट्ठे होके आज हम इतनी बुलंदियों पे ले गए। ये एक हमारी मेहनत, सच्ची मेहनत, ऊपर वाले का आशीर्वाद, नेक नियत, मंजिल आसान। और हमें उम्मीद है कि हम इस क्वालिटी को और इस इंडस्ट्रीजों को इतना ऊंचा ले जाना चाहते हैं, इतना ऊंचा ऊपर वाला हमारा साथ दे, हमारी नियत और हमारी वो लगन हमारे साथ रहे। हमें उसका ऊपर वाले का आशीर्वाद चाहिए, हमें कामयाबी बहुत चूमने वाली है।
A green and clean environment is another commitment of Rana Sponge Limited, with the development of a green belt in and around the plant. Rana Sponge earns foreign exchange through carbon credits. Thus, in its quest for excellence, Rana Sponge Limited forges ahead to make an indelible mark on the global marquee.